Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine students. Today we will solve the answer question on workbook page number 11 of English. Our first question is, how did the peasant spend the money he earned? Write the names of the people beside the each coin. First rupee he will spend on peasant himself, for example peasant. Second, wife. Third, he will spend the third coin on all parents, and fourth coin on children. Our second question is, the peasant wanted to give money to his wife because of all that she does for us. What things do you think she did for the whole family? She cooked food, washed cloth, cleaned the house, and took care of children. Our third question is, the peasant wanted to give money to his parents. What had they done for him? His parents looked after him and brought him up. The word is not bought, it's a brought. BROUGHT. Brought him up. And our fourth question is, why did the peasant agree to tell the minister the answer to the riddle? Because he offered a lot of money. Fifth, what would happen if minister did not get the answer? Nothing would happen. And did the peasant break his promise to king? Give reasons for your answer. No, because he saw the face of the king on 100 times, where he see on the coins. Our question number 7 is, if you were minister, what other way would you plan to get the answer from the peasant? If I would be a minister, I will give him a big house. Question number 8 is, do you agree with the way the peasant divide his money? What would you do if you had divide your money? No, I would. Yes, I agree, but I would have spent one part on needy people, one part on my parents, and one part for myself. This is the right answer. And question number 9 is, do you think children should look after their parents? Why? The answer is yes, because parents took care of us in our childhood and fulfill our basic needs. Draw a circle to show how peasant divide the money into 4 equal portions. You have to draw the circle like this, and in first part you have to write peasant means he himself, parents, wife, children. The answer of the question number 11 is, first is help in washing dishes, help in serving her tea, help in cutting the vegetables, and help in cleaning the room and pass the things which she needs. You can help by these ways to your mother. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने इन आंसर्स के अलावा कुछ अपनी नोटबुक पे वर्कबुक पे टीचर ने करवाए हुए हैं तो आप उनको भी लर्न कर सकते हैं। लाजमी नहीं है कि आपने इन्हीं आंसर्स को याद करना है, आप वो लर्न कर सकते हैं, उनको रेस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ओके।